Hi everyone. So today we have another interesting radio. It's Blaupunkt Bristol 27. It's about 1980s, and we did manage to install the Bluetooth in this one also. So I'm gonna show you how it works. Now it's on the FM. Okay, so now cassette. Let's see how it looks in the dark. Not much light in here, but hey, this is how it came from factory. Okay. So in order to activate Bluetooth, we have to push the L button. Now let's go to our phone. Activate Bluetooth. Now here it is.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
That's it. Bluetooth now is activated. So let's go to YouTube. Pick any music we want. Ads. That's it. Let's try another one. So in order to work the cassette, it has to be on the FM mode again. So simply push the FM and we're back to radio again. Now we can use cassette. Cool. Original looks, 1980s, and it has a Bluetooth on it. Thumbs up, guys.